Siddhas, tie up this vital energy in your body. Without his command, it cannot go out. That is the reason why the Indians Siddhas only, not yogis. Yogis means all over India, yogis are available. But only in the Siddha tradition is only in Tamil. They lack Dhananjayan in all other 9 vayus. Only when the Dhananjayan comes out, then only life can go. But they lack the Dhananjayan in 9, but they dissolve the Dhananjayan and 9 other vayus so that there is no separate Dhananjayan. So when they want to leave this world, they will segregate the Dhananjayan from the other 9 vayus and will leave this body and leave this planet. It is not called a death. They want to leave out. They are bored with living in this body and living and exiting this planet also, because in next birth you may live in any other planet sometimes. Or even if you get to Mukti, that is also called Sivaloga. Satyaloga, Sivaloga, Satyaloga, Siddhaloga, that also in an astral entity you may enter. So this is possible through Vasiyoga. Through Vasiyoga, you can do this kind of samadhi. That is called Ichamrityu. They stabilize the prana and live for a long time. In other Veda also it is told, if your prana and avana are equal in strength in opposite direction, the right proportion, one will live for a long time. And it is also told in other Veda that when you have deep sleep, that is, sleep is more important than food. You can forego food for one day, but if you forego sleep for one day, what happens? Just imagine. And so sleep is important. Why sleep is important means, it is said in this Veda that prana will move to different parts of your body and attend all repairing works and release the stress, impact of stress in your body. That is actually, if you sleep well, there is no need of stress management. There is no need of stress management. Stress management is done by prana itself. Prana present in the chest area will move to all parts of your body. And there is no need of stress management. If you fast also, that stress will be relieved and repairing work will be done. Because when you fast, actually when you eat food, 60% of the energy is locked in the digestive system. 60% of the energy is locked in the system. You are a doctor, you know. Even when you take food, you are going to sleep. You feel like sleeping. Why? All the energy rushes to stomach, and the supply of energy to your head is less. That's the reason. So, if you give holiday for your stomach, fasting is giving holiday for your stomach. Then that energy that is almost locked in the digestive system will move to all parts of your body, and whatever this metabolic activity needed urgently will be attended by the energy. But you are not releasing that energy. Eating one day, if you take one food one day, one time, then you will be called a yogi. If you take 2 times food a day, then you are called bogi. And if you take 3 times and more, then you are called rogi. So you are inviting roga. You are inviting roga. You can take a tiffin chapati in the morning, then 11 o'clock 1 tea and 2 bondas. They are the souls of lot of energy. Bonda is dangerous. Bonda and the samosa, all people, North Indian people eat. They have lot of energy. So after that 1 o'clock you take food. So the hunger activities, you should distinguish between actual hunger and false hunger. Actual hunger means when the stomach is empty, then it will send the impulse to your head. That is actual hunger. But you are busy working in your office, then look at the clock. Oh, already it is 1 o'clock. Then you start feeling hungry. That is false hungry. So so you should distinguish between this and avoid food in between other food and snacks, and all these things interfere with the digestive process. You take food, next food you take after only 2 3 hours, at least 2.5 hours, so that the food already in process. Food processing on digestion is food processing. Where you took food and this hydrochloric acid, that this saliva, alkaline, all go and process it. But then again you take food means that will be that will cause indigestion. So if you take in between food, already the food taken is it takes 2.5 hours, it will send the food to the next stage. Then the half digested food will also go to intestine and cause damage, and that is hinders absorption in the small intestine. So one time you take food, if you do this practice, then food intake will reduce. Food intake will reduce. If you when you start through chakra activation, when you start getting astral energy, if you take 4 chapati, then it will become 3 chapati. That is 25. Then you should understand 25% of cosmic energy has started entering into your body. When it becomes 2 chapati, 50% energy started coming to your body. When you take where it is only 1 chapati, 75% started coming to your this. And if you don't take any chapati, still you are fresh means you receive 100% energy. It is scientific. Nowadays, many persons are one person in Andhra and one person already in Lumbini Gardens, Nepal, is without food for in this anomaly, without food and water for more than 20 years. And the scientists from Western world came and fitted a CCTV camera, whether he is taking food at night secretly, and he is not taking food. And previously, before 10 years, they wrote a report that it is a medical miracle. But the medical people should not speak about miracle, because science and miracle are two opposites. A spiritual person can speak about miracle. And so nowadays they found out it is not a miracle. That is body through this meditation and